In this video we are going to learn about how we can add the particular pictures on particular slide on PowerPoint. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open PowerPoint. So here you can see I have opened my PowerPoint, and you can see I have two slides here which is blank. So first step is just select the slide where you want to insert the picture. Okay, now here you need to go in insert option. Okay, and under the insert, go to the insert options, and you can pin this option, so it will show here, it will be pin here, and it will be show continue. Okay, so just select the slide first, go to the insert. Here you can see the picture option, and just click on that teeny down arrow. You need to just click on it, and here you can see there is a two option. You can see you can upload pictures from your device, your current device, or you can search the pictures online like Google. Okay, so I will show you how you can upload picture from your device. Just click on first option, and your computer folder will be open. Now you have to select search the picture where you have saved. In my case I have picture in my in C drive. Under the C drive I have lots few folder here, so I have picture in this folder, so it is already opened. Now I need to just select that image and just go to the insert. Now you can see image has been inserted here. Now you need to maximize or minimize the size as per your requirement. Okay, and you can drag like this. You have to just click and just drag like this, or when you right click on it, you can see the option here. You can crop the picture like this. Okay, okay, after crop just click on outside, it will be save. Now here you can see lots of option of picture. You can make the picture effects like this, and if you want to border, you can make the border like this. Okay, lots of option you can see on picture. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.